Hi, I'm Nick. I'm a product manager in the financial technology industry, and I give Notion a 5 out of 5. I work for a relatively small startup, so there's a wide range of business needs we use Notion for. I'd say the number one is for documentation. Working for such a small company, everything's new and everything is constantly changing. And we love writing about all the new updates that we're coming out with. That's where Notion comes in. We have pretty much built a manual for our business documenting everything from how we built things to things that went wrong, releases. So the end product is a manual essentially that we can share with new employees and help them get onboarded easily. There are other things we use Notion for, particularly project management. We use Notion to organize our sprints and do sprint planning. The product managers typically write tickets for engineers, and the engineers use Notion to log their progress. There's a lot of things I love about Notion. I'd say my favorite is probably the database feature. What that is in every page you create, you can insert a database that can manifest in a couple of different views. You can look at it as a gallery or as a list or as a table, and it's very helpful for visual learners, especially since you can link to that database across pages. That leads to my second favorite thing about Notion is the nesting. Um, for someone who From someone who loves hierarchies and taxonomy, Notion is great for nesting pages. You don't get lost in the weeds. It's very easy to navigate, even for people looking at it for the first time. It's no problem going deep into the weeds and then coming out the other end. Something I dislike about Notion is it's way too easy to edit. I can't tell you how many times I've clicked on a page or a ticket just to read it, and I've accidentally deleted the title or even added some gibberish to the content itself. Now, flexibility is definitely a benefit of Notion, but that comes with the side effect of it's very easy for anyone to accidentally tamper with things.